Okay, the reason for this video is real simple. In the other videos I covered module loading, but I don't think that module loading should be something that is buried inside of a video. So instead, I've created this video specifically to demonstrate how modules are loaded. Modules are very important to um, the engine itself, and as such, the modules which are loaded make up a significant part, if not most, of the engine. So it's just something you want to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Do do do. Okay, torque when main, continue. Torque main, continue. Torque engine init, continue. Handle command line, standard main loop init. So continue. So here we go. Initialize modules. It's a very innocuous line, kind of buried. The comment is above it. It doesn't look like anything special, but it is. This is very important right here. When this runs, it'll actually go and load every single module, which is basically one of these files. One of these files in here. It calls the initializer for each module that it loads, so it does run a lot of code. Like this doesn't just run a little bit of code. This runs code in every single module that it initializes. Whether it's a small amount of code or a large amount of code, it's an initializer code. It is defined in each module. So let's go ahead and continue. This is the loop. Remember I said we're initializing the system. Here's initialize system right here. I have a breakpoint here at the start and at the end. As you can see, I is 0, so I to number modules 48. So that's 49 total modules. When we enter this right here, you'll be able to see which module is being loaded. So you'll be able to see the module load order. So I'm gonna continue it. I'm sorry, I'm gonna step into it. You can see the first module is tsShapeInstance. Continue. Okay, step into. Oh, come on. Okay, this one's sfxAudioProvider or xaudio Let's make sure we watch the output too. Okay, so let's continue. Step into. This one is sfxALProvider. Continue. Enter. This module is the sfxNullProvider. Continue. Enter. This module is the sfxDSProvider. Continue. Enter. sfxSystem. That's the module that's loaded. You can see in each one there's an initializer. This is the code that we're running. For brevity in this video, I'm going to keep it kind of short. I'm not going to go over each one. Each module should have its own full coverage, I think. But yeah, let's just continue. Step into. This one's event. Continue. Step into. This one's sim. Sims are very important, but we'll cover those later. Continue. Step into. Next one is sceneManager. Continue. Step into. Next is process. Continue. Step into. Next one is gameFunctions. Continue. Step into. Next one is tsMeshIntrinsics. Hard to say. Continue. Step into. tsLastDetail. After module init. I guess this is after it's initialized. This variable is added or something. Not sure. Continue. Step into. Here we are at Feature Manager, Shader Gen Feature Manager. Continue. Step into. So, terrain features HLSL. continue, step into. So here's the material manager, it's a module in it. You can see the breakpoint is actually here. It's actually running this code. So continue, step into. Oh, again, here we go. After module init, material manager. Step into shader gen, continue. How many did we do so far? 18. We got a lot more. Step into shader HLSL, continue. Step into. So this is after the module init. So I guess this is the sound effects environment. I guess it ran, and this is the after. Continue. Step into sfx description. Again, after module init. Continue. Step into a reflection manager. Okay. Let's continue. Step into. Okay, so this is the path manager. Continue. Step into post effects visualization. Continue. Step into post effect manager. Continue. Step into message box CPP after module init. Continue. Step into shadow map manager after module init. Shadow map manager. Continue. Sim PSSM late shadow map. I don't know what that's all about. Continue. Step into module init. So the late shadow map. Continue. Step into light map parameters. Continue. Step into basic scene object lighting plugin. Continue. Step into basic light manager.cpp. Okay, the next one is video capture. Not sure what this is all about, but I'm guessing it's to capture video in the game. What's the next one? GFX init. Next one is debug drawer. One. Okay, wind deformation HLSL. Force window manager. node list manager. Hold on, what's this? Telnet debugger. Yeah, I said earlier in a different video that I want to look at this. This is definitely interesting. Continue. So Telnet console again, module init. Weird. Ban list. Ban people from the server if you're hosting a server. Okay, the next one is bad word filter. Yeah, the next one is SFX 3D World. I guess it's 3D sound or something. That's our module in it. Okay, SE game process. So it starts up the server and the client. How many more do we got? So we're at 46 right now, so we don't have too many more. So next one is move manager. I guess this is movement manager. So next is decal manager. I'm guessing this is like bullet decals or something. I don't know. Oh wait, I think we're done. Yeah, I think we exited. Did we? Yeah, we did. We exited. So I is equal to 48. Num modules is 48. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to conclude the video here. As you can see, that's how all the modules are loaded. That's how the initializations are handled. I would really recommend, if you're trying to study a subsystem, to study its initialization as well as its operation. And so yeah, that's it. I'm going to stop the video.